Are you ready to paint with more color, freedom and expression? Whether you're just starting out or picking up the brush again, I'll show you how to paint in a loose, impressionist style with confidence. You'll learn how to create vibrant landscapes, expressive brushwork and light-filled compositions in oils, acrylics, gouache and even pastels. With step-by-step lessons designed for beginners, I take the mystery out of painting and help you build real skills one brushstroke at a time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly painting tips or join one of my free courses to get started right away. Discover the joy of painting loosely, learn how to simplify what you see, use color with confidence and bring your own style to life. I'm Malcolm Dewey. Let's paint something beautiful together.